Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. As you can see, my hair is wet and that means we are styling our hair today. I'm actually partnering with a new company. Well, they're new to me. Their name is Imbue. They have a whole styling collection that I'm going to show you guys. They are actually from the UK, but they are available in different places internationally, so that's pretty awesome. But they actually launched in Target, so I'm going to show you guys how I use the products. I'm actually in my bathroom right now. I just got out of the shower, so I washed my hair with their shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to show you guys that in a little bit, and then I'm going to show you how I style my curls using their products. Their products are numbered step by step in the collection, which I really like. I have 3 of their products to style with. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how I shampooed and conditioned my hair. It smells so good. Let's go. So let's wash this thing. I have the shampoo and conditioner here, but I'm starting off with their Curl Liberating Sulfate-Free Shampoo. It helps to cleanse, nourish, and moisturize, and it's made with coconut and kapuasu. It is step 1 in the collection, so I'm getting a good amount on my hair and lathering it up. It does have a really nice lather. As you can see, a lot of suds. Blow some bubbles while you're at it, and then rinse. Next, I'm using the Curl Respecting Conditioner. This helps to nourish, moisturize, and detangle, made with coconut, kapuasu, and olive. It is step 2 in the collection. So I put some on my mid-lengths. As you can see, I detangle my hair with the conditioner in it. I detangle all the way until my hair is really smooth, and then I rinse it out. Okay, so we're back. My hair is nice and clean. I don't know if you guys can tell, but your girl got her highlights back. So excited. The last video that I posted, my hair was like all brown, all one color. And if you saw my little snippet, I had a little incident with my hair color. But I got my highlights back. I still have some brown in there as the base, but I'm just happy I have like a lighter color again, because that's just, you know, it's just me. You guys have seen my hair journey for real, thanks to this YouTube channel for the last few years, for a long time. I mean, my hair color has always been like in the same kind of family, but sometimes lighter, sometimes darker, sometimes, I don't know, my whole head is one color, sometimes I have highlights. So you guys have seen my hair journey for real. So now this is where my hair is at, but let's start with the products. So like I mentioned, the products are numbered on the sides. So this is their Curl Inspiring Conditioning Leave-In Spray, number 3. And then this is their Curl Empowering Cream Gel. This is actually also number 3. So these go back to back. And then lastly, their Curl Defending Heat Protection Mist. So I'm going to start with their leave-in spray. I always recommend checking their directions or their recommendations before you use a product, because obviously they made it. So it says they recommend to shake before use, spray into clean, damp hair, air dry or diffuse. So we're going to shake and spray. And this side. Okay, and then you can brush it in if you want, or comb it. Make sure my hair is fully saturated with the leave-in. So the spray is made with coconut, kapuasu, and camellia, and it helps to detangle, nourish, and revitalize. Now next is their Curl Empowering Cream Gel. So this is what it looks like. And this defines, hydrates, and holds your hair, made with coconut, kapuasu, jojoba, and sweet almond. So I'm gonna take a glob. So it's kind of like jelly in the jar, but when I rub it together, it turns into like a cream. So it's pretty cool. And we're gonna rake it through. So yeah, talking about curl journeys, I feel like my hair has changed so much over the last few years. I remember, I think it was 2018 maybe. My hair was really long and full and fluffy. It's like curls go through their own seasons, because after that it was still long, but then it started getting kind of like stringy at the end. So then I cut it, and then it was nice and fluffy and bouncy again, but then it got longer, and then it started getting flat again. Like my hair has changed over time. I feel like even my curl pattern looks different when I compare like certain years together. And then of course, after having a baby, there's a lot of changes in your body, and I noticed my curls were not trying to curl. I feel like they got their bounce back a little, but I don't know, in my opinion, they're not as full as they used to be. But I guess that's the beauty of hair. It's kind of like life. Seasons change, And you know, sometimes things look different. Everything is not going to be the same all the time. We're aging as well, so you know, hormones up and down, so our hair changes with us. So this cream gel, when I put it in my hair like really absorbs it. I put a good amount in my hair, and it's not like sitting on top of my hair. It doesn't feel I overdid it or anything, so that's good. Okay, so next up, I'm using their Curl Defending Heat Protection Mist. This helps to smooth and shine the hair. It is alcohol free, and it's made with coconut, kapuasu, and jojoba. Now, this is important for me because I always diffuse my hair. If you don't diffuse your hair in your styling process, you prefer to air dry, then you don't need to use the heat protection, obviously. But I like to use a heat protectant spray because it's just better for your hair. So I love that they have this as a part of their collection. Make sure I get the ends because that is the driest part of my hair. So now that everything is in my hair, I like to turn my head upside down, or at least bring my hair forward and scrunch. See, I like the feel of this cream gel, so I'm actually gonna use a little more, just because I know like when my hair could use a little bit more product or less, you know, we know our hair. But yeah, I really like how lightweight this is, that I'm able to build. Hearing that squish is great. And for me, the scrunching just helps to enhance my curl definition. See, so I feel like this side is a little more defined or enhanced than this side. So I'm gonna add a little bit more to this side as well. Now I'm using my microfiber towel to scrunch out the excess water. The curls are looking good. All right, so like I said, I like to diffuse my hair, but just because I like to diffuse doesn't mean I don't air dry. I actually like to air dry my hair for maybe 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the time I have, before I diffuse, because I find that it helps to settle my hair. And having them air dry a little bit helps to minimize frizz, because when I go from wet to immediate blow drying, they tend to get a little more frizzier. So I'm gonna let my hair set, and then I will be back to diffuse. And I'm back. So I love to see wash days where my hair actually looks full, like it's doing its thing right now, and I'm really happy about it. So this cream gel is really great because, as you can see, it defined my curls, but it also was light enough to give some volume. The leave-in spray did help to moisturize my curls for some added definition, and then the heat protectant spray really did a good job of protecting my curls, because I have very minimal frizz on the end. Like, I always have frizz, but it's much more minimal than usual. So I'm loving the Imbue Curls system. Each product did a great job at doing what it's supposed to do. Also, now that my hair is dry, you guys can see my highlights a little better. So let me know what you guys think. It's still not as light as, you know, it was before, as it usually is, but baby steps, we're getting there. I keep fluffing my roots because I just love the lightweight, like, fullness of it. So thank you so much to Imbue for partnering with me and allowing me to share these products with my subscribers. Remember guys, these products are available at your local Target. They are affordable and they're Curly Girl compliant, aka Curly Girl approved. So make sure you go check them out. I will leave a link in the description if you are interested in shopping online. So where am I in my curly journey? I'm definitely happy with my curls. They are healthy, they are defined, they are full. Like I said earlier, hair changes in time. You know, I may have liked the way my hair looked a few years ago more, but now I'm just kind of accepting what it is. Even some of the pieces that like don't curl as much anymore, I'm kind of just letting them be and hoping that, you know, eventually my hair will, you know, get back to its normal curl pattern. But sometimes that doesn't happen, and that's okay. I've learned that it's okay to just accept where your hair is at, as long as you're taking good care of it, using good products with good ingredients. You know, give your hair some TLC, don't put too much heat on it, and eventually your hair is going to be healthy and it's gonna thrive. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave any thoughts or comments in the comment box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.